Hello friends, you are watching Learners Achievement Test 2nd 2024-25 in this video. Class 8th, maximum marks 45, time 2 hours and 30 minutes. General instructions are all questions are compulsory and each question carries 1 mark. First subject English. Question 1. What is the main idea of the following passage? The rain poured down heavily, making the streets slick and shiny. People hurried with their umbrellas, trying to stay dry. Despite the weather, the city was alive with activity. The correct option is option C. The city remained active despite the heavy rain. Question 2. What conclusion can you draw from the following statement? Jan studied every night for 2 weeks before her exams and scored the highest marks in her class. Her efforts helped her achieve her target. Correct option is option B. Hard work and consistent study can lead to good results. Question 3. Don't shoot lads. Someone shouted, and no one did. Then there was another Fritz upon the parapet and another. Keep your heads down. I told the man, it's a trick, but it wasn't. The best Christmas present in the world. What was the speaker's reaction when he realized that it wasn't a trick? The correct option is he was ashamed. Option C. Question 4. Let's not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great and we are capable of greater achievements. We must firm reform our society. Superstitions have been ruining us. He told his wife Uma, cows are of different colors, but the color of their milk is the same. Chapter is glimpses of the past. According to the speaker, the problem with his culture was correct option is option C, fragmentation and based on religion. Question 5. Pick the option that expresses the tone of the narrator, Ram Mohan Roy, in the statement. Let's not dash milk is the same. The correct option is option A, 1 and 3. Question 6. The purpose of using the analogy of cows of different colors producing the same milk was correct option is A, conveying a message of religious tolerance and unity. Question 7. Identify the sentence that contains a simile. Option A, her smile was as bright as the sun.
अब हिंदी से संबंधित प्रश्न आप देख सकते हैं। 8वां प्रश्न, बदलू कहानी की दृष्टि से पात्र है और भाषा की बात की दृष्टि से यानी व्याकरण की दृष्टि से संज्ञा। किसी भी व्यक्ति, स्थान, वस्तु, विचार अथवा भाव को संज्ञा कहते हैं। नीचे दिए गए शब्दों में से कौन सा जातिवाचक संज्ञा का उदाहरण नहीं है? तो सही ऑप्शन है घ, राम। बाकी सभी जातिवाचक संज्ञा के उदाहरण हैं, राम व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा का उदाहरण है। अगला प्रश्न 9वां आप देख सकते हैं। कूच करने के लिए एक निमित्त चाहिए, पंक्ति का क्या आशय है? तो इसका सही उत्तर है क, आगे बढ़ने के पूर्व कुछ उद्देश्य होना चाहिए। अगला प्रश्न 10वां, मशीनी युग ने कितने हाथ काट दिए हैं? यहाँ हाथ काट देना एक मुहावरा है, इसका अर्थ क्या होगा? सही ऑप्शन है क, लोगों का बेरोजगार हो जाना। 11वां प्रश्न, क्षीण चांदनी में वृक्षों की छाया के नीचे वह बस खड़ी दयनीय लग रही थी। लगता जैसे कोई वृद्धा थक कर बैठ गई हो। हमें गिलानी हो रही थी कि बेचारी पर लदकर हम चले आ रहे हैं। अगर इसका प्राणांत हो गया तो इस बियाबान यानी जंगल में हमें इसकी अंत्येष्टि यानी अंतिम संस्कार करनी पड़ेगी। लेखक व उसके मित्रों को बस में सफ़र करने में गिलानी क्यों महसूस हुई? तो इसका सही ऑप्शन है ख, उन्हें ऐसा लग रहा था कि बस एक वृद्धा है और हम उसमें बैठकर उसे सता रहे हैं। अगला प्रश्न 12वां, शब्द निर्माण की प्रक्रिया से संबंधित कथनों में से कौन सा या कौन से सही नहीं हैं? तो इसका सही उत्तर है घ। शब्दांशों का अपना स्वतंत्र अस्तित्व एवं अर्थ होता है, यही सही नहीं है, बाकी सभी सही हैं। अगला प्रश्न 13वां, दिए गए शब्दों में से वह कौन सा शब्द है जो हिंदी में विदेशी भाषा से आया है? इसका सही ऑप्शन है घ, दिए गए सभी विदेशी शब्द हैं। अगला प्रश्न 14वां, जिसमें एक काव्यांश दिया गया है। सब जगह सब काल में वे ही मिले फूले फले, आज करना है जिसे करते उसे हैं आज ही, सोचते कहते हैं जो कुछ कर दिखाते हैं वही, मानते जी की हैं सुनते हैं सदा सबकी कही, जो मदद करते हैं अपनी इस जगत में आप ही, भूल कर वे दूसरों का मुंह कभी तकते नहीं, कौन ऐसा काम है वे कर जिसे सकते नहीं, जो कभी अपने समय को यूं बिताते हैं नहीं, काम करने की जगह बातें बनाते हैं नहीं, आज कल करते हुए जो दिन गंवाते हैं नहीं, यत्न करने से कभी जो जी चुराते हैं नहीं, बात है वह कौन जो होती नहीं उनके लिए, वे नमूना आप बन जाते हैं औरों के लिए। इस कविता के केंद्रीय भाव हेतु दिए गए कथनों को पढ़कर सबसे सही विकल्प चुनिए। तो कथन है, हमेशा भाग्य के भरोसे नहीं रहना चाहिए, भाग्य का भरोसा करना अच्छी बात है, भाग्य के भरोसे रहने से पछतावा होता है, भाग्यवान सदैव कर्म करके रास्ता निकालते हैं। तो इसका जो सही ऑप्शन है, सही उत्तर है वो है चौथा ऑप्शन, कथन क और घ सही हैं, यानी काव्यांश के अनुसार कथन क और घ ये दो सही हैं, तो इससे ये जो चौथा ऑप्शन है वह सही है। अगला विषय सब्जेक्ट संस्कृत, संस्कृत से रिलेटेड प्रश्न आप देख सकते हैं। निम्नलिखित पद्यांश पठित्वा प्रश्नानाम उत्तराणि लिखत, यानी इस पद्यांश को पढ़कर प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए। पीत्वा रसं तु कटुकं मधुरं समानं, माधुर्यमेव जनयेन मधुमक्षिकासौ, सन्तस्तथैव समसज्जन दुर्जनानां, श्रुत्वा वचः मधुरसूक्तरसं सृजन्ति। दुर्जनानां वचः कीदृशः भवति, यानी दुष्ट लोगों के वचन वाणी भाषा कैसी होती है? तो सही ऑप्शन है ख, कटुक यानी कड़वी। अगला प्रश्न है 16वां, मधुमक्षिका यानी मधुमक्खी हनी बी किम जनयेत, तो इसका सही ऑप्शन है क, माधुर्यम यानी मधु शहद। माधुर्यमेव इति पदस्य उचित संधि विच्छेदम किम, माधुर्यमेव इस शब्द का सही संधि विच्छेद है, तो सही ऑप्शन है क, माधुर्यम प्लस एव। अगला प्रश्न आप देख सकते हैं, हावड़ा रेल स्थानकस्य रेलयान समय सारणी दृष्ट्वा यानी देखकर प्रश्नानाम शुद्धम उत्तरम चुनत, प्रश्नों के सही उत्तर चुनिए। ये हावड़ा रेलवे स्टेशन की समय सारणी दी गई है और इस चित्र को देख करके प्रश्नों के उत्तर देने। तो इस चित्र के आधार पर पहला प्रश्न है 18वां, प्रातः कति रेलयानानि हावड़ा रेल स्थानकम आगच्छति, यानी प्रातः सुबह कति रेलयानानि हावड़ा रेल स्थानकम आगच्छति, हावड़ा रेलवे स्टेशन पर सुबह कितनी ट्रेन आती हैं? तो सही उत्तर है ग, त्रीण यानी 3। अगला, कयो रेलयानयो प्रस्थान समय केवलम एक होराया, यानी 1 घंटे का व्यवधानम यानी अंतर अस्ति यानी है, तो इसका सही ऑप्शन है ख, जनता एक्सप्रेस और कामरूप एक्सप्रेस के बीच में मध्य यानी बीच में 1 घंटे का अंतर है। अगला प्रश्न 20वां, रात्रौ 10 वादनात् परम कत रेलयानानि चलन्ति, तो चित्र के आधार पर इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है सही क, एकम। 20वें प्रश्न का उत्तर है क, एकम। अगला, रात्रौ अधिकानि रेलयानानि चलन्ति अपराह्ने, रात्रि में अधिक रेल चलती हैं या अपराह्न यानी अपराह्न में दोपहर के समय, तो इसका सही उत्तर है क, रात्रौ यानी रात्रि में अधिक ट्रेन चलती हैं।
सेक्शन बी सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स, क्वेश्चन 22, Shashwat, who is working in a multinational company, earns rupees 1,50,000 per month. Out of his earning, he spends 1 upon 10th on food items, 1 upon 4th on shopping with family, 1 upon 5th of the remaining on education of his two kids, and rest of the money he puts in his savings. Calculate the amount spent by Shashwat on education of his children. The correct option is option A, 15,000 rupees. Question 23. Madhulika thought of a number. She doubled it and added 20 to it. She got 100 as the result. What is the number Madhulika thought? The correct option is C, 40. Question 24. During New Year, Amit and his family went to an orphanage to share happiness with other needy children. They distributed sweets and crackers to them. While bursting the crackers, one child raised a question seeing the cracker, which is shown below. His question was, what is the sum of interior angle of the cracker? The correct option is C, 360 degree. Question 25. The table below shows the number of different flowers sold by a florist on a particular day. Akriti wants to represent the above data in pie chart in which each sector represents the number of sales of each flower. Which of the following represents the central angle of rose and tulip? The correct option is B, 135 degree rose and 45 degree tulip. Question 26. You are playing a game where rolling an even prime number on the dice gets you a bonus point. If you will roll the dice once, what is the probability that you will get a bonus point? The correct option is A, 1 upon 6. Question 27. Identify the Pythagorean triplet whose smallest number is 8. The correct option is C, 8, 15 and 16. Question 28. There are 500 children in a school. For PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many students would be left out in this arrangement? The correct option is B, 20. Question 29. Gunjan noticed on her smart watch that she walked a total of 13,824 steps in the evening. If she wants to divide these steps equally over 3 days, how many steps would she walk each day if the total number of steps is the cube of a Cartesian number? The correct option is C, 24. Question 30. Aditya wants to give a wristwatch to his sister on her birthday. The shopkeeper sold it for rupees 1,120 rupees. After offering a discount of 20%, find the marked price of the wristwatch. The correct option is A, 1,400 rupees. Section C, Subject Science. Question 31. The red data book keeps a record of all the correct option is C, third and fourth. Question 32. A boy rolls a rubber ball on a wooden surface. The ball travels a short distance before coming to rest. To make the ball travel longer distance before coming to rest, he may. Correct option is C, sprinkle talcum powder on the wooden surface. Question 33. Sets of reproductive terms are given below. Choose the set that has an incorrect combination. Correct option is C, sperm, oviduct, egg and uterus. Question 34. Pooja dug 2 pits A and B in her garden. In pit A, she put a polythene bag packed with some agricultural waste. In pit B, she dumped the same kind of waste in a paper bag. She then covered both the pits with soil. What did she observe after a month? The correct option is B. Waste in pit B degraded faster than that in pit A. Question 35. Assertion A. Petroleum is referred to as black gold. Reason: petroleum resembles molten gold in appearance. The correct option is A. C. Assertion is correct, but reason is incorrect. Question 36. If a person's clothes catch fire, the best way to extinguish the fire is to. The correct option is C. Cover the person with a woolen blanket. Question 37. Match the following list first with list second. The correct option is A. Question 38. The table shows the nutrients present in some food items. Here yes means present and no means absent. Which food items would be partially digested in the stomach? The option A is correct, 1 and 4. Section D, subject social science. Question 39. Which fundamental right is violated in the given situation? A 13-year-old child working in a carpet manufacturing factory. The correct option is D, right against exploitation. Question 40. Examine the scenario. A high court declares a law passed by the state legislature unconstitutional. What principle does this action illustrate? The correct option is A, judicial review. Question 41. If you want to be a part of the institution, what makes law for the entire country? Then whose member would you have to become? Correct option is C, Parliament. Question 42. During colonial rule in India, the British government made many new laws related to forests. These laws affected the lives of pastoral tribes. What was one of the effects of the British forest laws on the pastoral tribes? The correct option is B. They were restricted from accessing forest areas. Question 43. In the hilly areas of India, farmers use a special method for farming, which is completely different from the plains. What is that method? The correct option is C, terrace cultivation. Question 44. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 between Sirajuddaulah, the Nawab of Bengal, and the British governor Robert Clive. What impact did the Battle of Plassey have on British control in India? The correct option is A. It marked the beginning of British rule in India. Question 45. Natural resources are getting depleted day by day, which take many years to form. Which of the following methods should we adopt to conserve natural resources? The correct option is A. Sustainable development.
थैंक यू. जय हिंद.
बाबा,